In this video, I'll show you how to add transitions to your footage in Premiere Pro using CrispyCut. The process is straightforward. Just a few clicks and your transition is ready. Let's get started. So here we have a skateboarder sequence. Let's add some transitions to make it more dynamic and interesting. We'll start in the middle section. I'll place the time indicator right between the two clips. Now let's open CrispyCut. It has over 1,000 different transitions to choose from. Let's go with the film transitions. I'll pick this one. I'll double-click on it and the transition drops right onto the timeline. A new folder called Atom Placeholders is also created in the project panel, and a new sequence appears inside it. What we need to do next is select the top transition layer. And in the Properties panel, you'll see a footage section in the transition settings. Then, we simply drop our new sequence into that area. And that's it! The transition is ready. That looks great. Let's keep going. Let's add another transition here and pick a different one this time. I'll double-click on it again and it drops onto the timeline. I'll select the top transition layer, open the footage area, and drop in the newly created sequence. Between the first two clips, I'll add a transition from a different category. Let's go with a slide. I'll double-click on it and it drops onto the timeline. Again, I'll select the top layer, open the footage area, and drop in the newly created sequence. And for the last transition, let's go with a zoom. Same process, drop the sequence into the footage area, and the transition is ready. Let's see how it all looks. And there we go. The whole edit has so much more energy and personality now. CrispyCut has over 1,000 transitions across all kinds of styles and categories, so you'll always find something that fits your footage. It's part of the Ultimate Motion Bundle, along with thousands more templates and tools. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!